One day as I was walking down the street, spot a begging man with rags upon his feet. Took a penny from my pocket, in his tin cup I did drop it, and I heard him say as I made my retreat, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose, may an elephant crush you with his toes, may your wife be plagued with runners in her hose, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. My laundry man is really on his toes, found $100 bill among my clothes. When he called me I came running, gave him back his dime for phoning, and I heard him saying as I turned to go, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose, may an elephant crush you with his toes, may your wife be plagued with runners in a hose, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. Alright, take me down, boy. I was behind one day to catch a train. The taxi driver said we'll make it just the same. A speed cop made it with us, and as he wrote out the ticket, I stood by politely waiting for my change. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose, may an elephant crush you with his toes, may your wife be plagued with runners in a hose, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose, may an elephant crush you with its toes, may your wife be plagued with runners in her hose, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. I thank you, boy. I really thank you.